In this lesson, I will discuss how to make the TH sound. What makes this a challenge is that the TH sound does not exist in the Chinese language, and it's a very difficult sound for many of my Chinese students to master. So let's get started. The voiced TH and the unvoiced TH sounds are the only pair of American English sounds that share a single common spelling. However, there are two main differences you must know between the TH sounds. An unvoiced TH means air passes through the mouth, such as words like thing and thin. Listen again as I say thing and thin. A voiced TH sound means you make the sound with your vocal cords, such as than and they. Listen again as I say than and they. When we talk about voice TH sounds, some of the common mistakes I find students that are making is that they will substitute a Z for the TH. So they may say the instead of the and that instead of that. Another way might be to pronounce it with a V. They'll say the instead of the and that instead of that. The last way, they might be using a D sound. So they might say duh instead of the and dat instead of that. So here are some helpful hints to correctly pronounce the TH sound. It really comes down to tongue placement. Letting your tongue sit between your teeth and you stick it out just a little bit, the. You don't want to stick it out too much. You'll start looking like a lizard, and we really don't want that. So the tongue sticks out slightly like the between the teeth, and it lightly touches the bottom of the lip. See how I produce the word Thursday, thunder, think, this, theory. Look at your mouth in the mirror and you notice how the air flows down the center channel in the tongue. And you'll use the same tongue placement for the voice TH words, but only then you'll add voice to the sound. You'll start with your tongue between your teeth and you'll say the. You notice the air will slide over the top of your tongue. Words like the and that have a voice TH sound at the beginning. Words with a voice TH sound at the beginning are a little easier. Sometimes at the end, such as breathe and smooth, they might be a little harder. Now here's some additional practice. You can practice the voice TH words in the initial, medial, and final position. Here they are in the initial position. These, that, therefore. The medial position, another, together, other. And now in the final position, smooth, bathe, soothe. You can practice the unvoiced TH words in the initial, medial, and final positions also. Here it is in the initial position. Thursday, think. The medial position, toothpaste. Birthday, something. And now in the final position, math, truth, growth. Here are a couple of sentences you'll want to try. The fourth Thursday of this month is Thanksgiving. We want to visit West Virginia to see his father and mother. The TH sounds are challenging. But with enough practice and patience, you can pronounce them correctly in no time, and you'll continue to improve gradually. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for additional training videos. I've also put together a free downloadable mini course titled 5 Proven Lessons for Native Chinese Speakers to Reduce Your Accent in 2024. So you'll want to click on the link below and get your copy. Thanks so much for tuning in.